Hi, my name is Bob Latino with Reliability Center Incorporated, and I wanted to go over a quick demonstration of how to use a very simple evaluation tool when you're comparing vendors of any kind. For here, we're just going to be looking at RCA and FMEA, but I think you'll find that it doesn't really matter. So the way the spreadsheet's set up, we're going to input our companies in here. And we're going to say, for instance, Reliability Center Incorporated. And we're going to put some mock companies in here, like let's go with the infamous Acme and ACE. So that's step one in here, and you'll notice that it automatically puts the names in the specific locations where they'll make sense a little bit later. And then we want to go down, and you'll notice that there are different criteria in which we want to evaluate the products of these various vendors. For instance, simplicity, user-friendliness, analysis flexibility, initial cost is always an issue, the quality of the materials that they provide you, results and reports, what are the deliverables, training flexibility, the process credibility and thoroughness of the methodology used in what they may be providing you, and the ability to track bottom line results. So your evaluation team would simply come in, and after viewing the various products, they would come in as a team and they would put averages as to what they feel the criteria were for that particular product. So I'm just going to put various things in here. I'm going to put mock numbers of 3. Let's go ahead and put 4. And the scale is going to be a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the best. And we'll just keep picking random numbers here. We will say 3. We'll put a 1 here and a 4. And because you know that someone from Reliability Center is doing this, you know the way it's going to end up. So we're just going to go in here and put some random numbers that our team came up with. And we did pretty good on that one. So we're going to see how this pans out for these particular vendors, which again is mock. Now you'll notice down here in the red, it's the weight of the criteria. This just means that your team can evaluate, is cost more important than the analysis flexibility. So you can go ahead and you can weight these from a scale of 1 to 5 and go ahead and say, I feel one thing is more important than the other. Now the way that this is going to pan out from the standpoint of measurement or quantifying these is that the calculation is going to be, 5 times the 4 is going to give me the 20 for that column, then 3 times the 4 for that vendor, and it's going to be all automatically calculated down here on the bottom. So in this particular case, with all of these mock numbers, the highest scoring vendor was going to be Reliability Center at 96, Acme comes in at 75, and then ACE comes in at 70. So then we can just go in here and then we can go ahead and say that we're going to type in Reliability Center Incorporated as the vendor that we are choosing to select in this case. So again, it's a quick, easy tool. There's not a lot of rocket science in this, but when we're comparing vendors, this gives us a quantifiable way of going ahead and doing that. This will end our short demonstration summary of this quick evaluation tool, and we hope you find it of value. Take care.